Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add text in Adobe After Effects, and the correct terminology is kinetic typography. Firstly, you go to Composition, New Composition, then the composition setting box will appear. You name the composition to whatever name you rather. So I'll name it Mitch and select OK. Then I don't want a boring black color as my background, so I go to Layer, New Layer, then I select Solid. The solid setting dialog box will appear. The current solid color that I chose before was green. However, I want to change it. In order to change my solid color, I select this rectangle that is in the field with the color green. So I want blue. So I select blue and OK. OK. There you go. The solid is blue. So now I want to create my text. I go to Layer, New, and instead of choosing solid, I will select text. So the text cursor appears. If you notice, here it is. So I want to type the word lovely. Lovely. Great. Please remember, for each word, you are supposed to create a new layer. So I have lovely here. If I want to say lovely girl, I will go back to composition, go to Layer, New, and Text. So a new layer is created. If you do notice, you see the solid, the first text, that's lovely, and then you see text 1, that will be my second text. So let me say lovely girl. And of course, if you notice, they're overlapping, so you can't see the word lovely. What you need to do is go to your selection tool, and drag the word girl. See, you drag it to wherever you chooses. Well, it's more to try to center. Another problem, if you do notice, my side is moving, so you will see the original black background that I had. So in order to keep your one place, you need to close your solid layer. This is your solid layer, and if you notice now, a lock is on the layer. So now I could go back to my lovely layer. I want the word lovely to slide onto my timeline. So what I need to do is go to the lovely layer, click this triangle here. You'll see two other sub-triangles coming up with the title text and transform. Select transform, then go to position. You see an alarm clock. You select that alarm clock and it will create a keyframe. If you do notice, a yellow diamond is here. That means that a keyframe was created. So now you're going to drag the word lovely off the screen. Go about 4 or 3 seconds forward and then create a keyframe by selecting this rectangle, not the alarm clock, but this diamond right between the two triangles. Yes, then I am going to drag the word lovely to the screen. And if you do notice, this line with the squares and the dots attached shows the way that the word lovely will slide onto the screen. So when you see this line, don't worry, it will go up automatically, but it is there to guide you and to show you that you're on the right path. So I'm finished with the word lovely, but let me play it to make sure that it's working. Great. So one thing I need to remind you of is the more you stretch your keyframe along the timeline, the longer the words will take to appear. The slower they will change in shape, rotate, or position. So if you do notice these two keyframes are close together, that means they will go in a moderate pace. Let me show you an example. Putting the keyframe closer towards each other, faster pace. There you go. So in order to close this lovely layer, I click on the triangle that's down for lovely, and there you go, it's gone. Now I want to go to the girl layer to move the word girl, or let me not use move, but to rotate the words. So I want to show you not only to change the position of the words, but I'll use the different transformation that you have. So go to rotation, again click on the alarm clock to create a keyframe of rotation. For rotation, then of course you see 38.0 degrees, 0 times 39, whatever it is, you drag the number to whatever position you want. So okay, so this is my girl. Then I am going to go to, say, 3 seconds forward, 4, and again I am going to change the position of girl so it comes right back round. There you go. So I created a keyframe by clicking on the alarm clock, and the keyframe was created here. I changed the degree of the rotation so my word girl could be slanted or at 173 degrees. Then I go 3 seconds in time or forward and change back, create another keyframe and change it to 2.2 degrees. So let me play the entire video now. And as I stated before, if you notice, the line with the dots and the squares are gone. Wonderful. So there you have it, guys. Lovely girl. I did 2 transformations. I changed position as well as I did rotation. I hope you did enjoy this video and you learned something. Subscribe to my channel to watch more how to do Adobe effects.